11 ways to keep your child with autism safe at home. Lock away household toxins like cleaning supplies and other hazardous materials. Top-heavy furniture should be secured to the wall with brackets and straps. Teach your child water safety or enroll them in swimming lessons. Practice fire drills at home with your child and family. Teach your child to use the hot and cold water taps safely. Add extra locks to the doors so your child cannot leave the house without you. Learn if and when your child is likely to wander. Install a security system that alerts you when doors or windows open. Teaching your child to request to go places can avoid wandering behavior. Clearly setting expectations or a schedule can keep everyone in the loop and avoid challenging behavior. Use technology to help monitor your child's location when they are away from you. Create a safety plan to use in emergencies. This was brought to you by Side by Side Therapy. Please visit our website to read the entire blog.